So today we'll be testing the Super Nano engine restorer with Tony's car, who is from Hercules. Hello.
Hello.
So Tony says this car's got some oil burning issues. So we're gonna see if this is gonna help. First we've got to start warm up the engine so we can apply Super Nano in it. So Tony, how long, what year is this car?
98.
98?
1998. 3.5 litre Mitsubishi Pajero.
3.5 litre V6 engine,
petrol.
I can see it. Nice. So, yeah, how long have you been driving it for?
About 5 years.
5 years?
Recently you've been using oil. It's using oil.
Yeah.
Every about a month I got to put it.
You can tell you gotta fill up a bit more, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
About a litre and a half. You know, if I take it on a long drive, it uses more.
Yeah.
Yeah, but if I use it like
in the city, short chunk, it's all right.
A little bit better.
Yeah.
Of course.
Yeah. No worries. Then we'll see what Super Nano can do.
Let's see.
So we're gonna do the first vibration test on Tony's car. There we go. Let's do it.
Let's go. Pour it down, mate. Pour it down. With 2 bottles. Go for it.
2 bottles.
Yeah.
Yes, we start the engine immediately and run for at least 10 to 15 minutes so the particles can start working. Tony has just started the engine and we're going to leave it run for around 10 to 15 minutes. There we go.
And then you see the result.
No worries. So you'll be happy if you adjust, it will help a little bit.
Oil pressure.
Yeah.
Because I've got a gauge in there and it reads. When it warms up, it goes down to about 20 pounds.
Right.
So if there's the pressure on the bearings.
Yeah. I see what you mean.
The bearings, the conrod bearings, they are a little bit warm. And that's why you lose oil pressure.
During normal driving, it is common to see metal wearing on the connecting rod bearings and many other engine parts that are under high friction. Super Nano Remetaliser, or the engine restorer, has the ability to restore the metal surface on high friction metal to metal points, including the conrod bearing, cylinder walls, piston rings, camshaft, crankshaft, and cam lobe. However, if the internal engine parts are significantly damaged, broken or snapped, this is regarded as mechanical damage, and Super Nano Remetaliser will not be able to resolve these situations.
And we're just gonna do our second test. And the second sound test.